Now we are going to match uppercase and lowercase alphabets starting from M to Z. Let's start. This is capital M or uppercase M. Find out where is lowercase m. This one is M or this one is M. This is N and this is M. Lowercase m. You're right. M says And what about this one? This is uppercase N. Where is lowercase n? Find out. This one is N. You're right. What about the sound of N? N says And this is O. Where is O here? Lowercase o. Here it is. You're right. O says And what about this one? This is uppercase P. Where is lowercase p? Find out. Don't confuse with this. This is Q. This is not P. This is Q. And this is B. You know it. So this one is lowercase p. P says P. And what about this letter? This is uppercase Q. Where is lowercase q? Here it is. You're right. Q says Qu. And what about this? This is uppercase R. Where is lowercase r here? Yes, you're right. This is lowercase r. R says R. And what about this one? This is uppercase S and lowercase s is. Find out where it is. Here it is. You're right. Very good. S says S. And what about this one? This is uppercase T. Where is lowercase t? This one? No, this is I. And what about T here? Here it is. You're right. This is T. T says T. T. And what about this letter? This is uppercase U. Where is lowercase u here? This one? No, this is N. And what about this? This is V. So here this is U. This is your lowercase u. U says And what about this one? V. V says V. The sound of V is V. Where is V? Find out. This one is? This one is V or this one is V? This is U. Just now we find out U. So this is your V. V says V. V. And this one is W. Uppercase W. Where is lowercase w? This one or this one? This is your M. So lowercase w is this one. W says wa, wa, wa. And what about this one? X. This is T. What is, and this one is X. Yes. Lowercase x. X says X. 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 And what about this one? Y. Uppercase Y. Where is lowercase y? Here it is. You're right. Y says Y. Y. And what about this one? This is Z. Where is lowercase z? This one is lowercase z. Z says Z. Z. Very good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe AlphaNumeric Tricks Kids for more worksheets. Thank you.